What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm actually be going to Sacramento and gonna be picking up some 86 parts. So I'll show you guys when I get the parts and if I get it or not. So see you guys in about, it's gonna be about like 2 hours for me, so I'll see you guys soon. All right, what's up, guys? I just got done doing a deal with the guy, and I just want to say thank you, big shout out to him. And I just picked up these AE86 doors. So they're pretty old, but they are in great shape. Yeah, everything's still there, which I'm super happy about. And it even has SR5 cookie door panel, so that's really awesome, man. Super excited about this. This one, however, doesn't have a door panel, but it's complete as well. As you can see here, it just doesn't have the door brackets, but that's fine. I have those already, so it's gonna be super cool, man. Super excited for this. So yeah, let me go home. It's gonna be another long 2.5 hour drive back home, but this drive was definitely worth it for these doors. I paid a really great deal for them. So yeah, let me get back home and then I will go ahead and look at them closer. By the time I get home, it'll probably be kind of dark already, so maybe we'll have to wait till tomorrow, and I'll go ahead and show the doors after that. All right, guys, so it's the next day, and here are the doors. So this one actually came with a door card, which is pretty cool. It's a cookie SR5 door, but it has everything from the crank, from the inner door handle to the door locks, and everything that I need, like all this right here, the door latch. This side is the same as well. I didn't come with the door card, but I have my door cards anyways. This one didn't come with door hinges as well, but that's okay, it's not a big deal, I already have those. And then but yeah, so it comes with everything else. This one, the inner door handle is actually in better condition, but yeah, super happy. Even came with the extra cap for the side mirrors. And this is another thing, that these doors are missing the side mirror bracket. So these doors are pretty much just shells, and these doors are really complete. So gonna be swapping them out today, and let's go ahead and put them on. So I'm start with taking off this side first, and then gonna be putting this on. So I'll probably just show these doors on because it's takes a lot of work to put them on. So see you guys in a bit. So finally got the first door on, and it looks good. So I had to put these brackets on because it didn't have it, but the door is pretty clean. The window cranks up. We just crank the window up and everything works good. Got to get these cotter pins here, or the pin, because I don't have that. But it closes nice and it lines up pretty good. So see, it lines up really nice here. There is a small dent here, I think, and a small dent here, but not a big deal. This seems easy to fix. And I tried my Corolla keys, but none of them work. But it does work for the other side, so that's pretty cool. At least I'll have one door that unlocks. But yeah, just gotta go ahead and put on this side now too, and then we'll be done with doors, at least. And I could put the side mirrors on too. See, this side mirror is all beat up, but I have extra ones, and I'm gonna put those on just so the car looks more complete. But yeah, super happy with this. So I was trying to figure out other cars, other Toyotas that would probably fit this, but I couldn't figure anything out. That's why I just had to get new doors. I was looking at AE82, and those were a little bit different because they have the lock that goes up here. The AE92s are the same. It's kind of different once it gets to right here. It starts dipping down because I think it has to go up. So I don't know. I don't know what other cars you could use for 86 doors other than just 86 doors. So all right, gonna do the other side and get that in. So finally just got this door on as well, and it's pretty nice. It's the same, closes really nicely, opens pretty smooth. But yeah, so let's go ahead and take off this door panel, and then we'll try to put the side mirrors onto the car as well, so it kind of completes everything. So yeah, I really like this door panel because it's SR5 kooky, which is exactly what this car is, but I only have this panel, so I might run the Zenki ones just because I have them, or I have kooky GTS ones that I could put in here, but they're blue, so I could just paint those black as well. Since everything is blue in here, so maybe I'll just leave it blue, but I don't really like the blue interior since I already have one for the coupe, and this car is not going to be blue. So yeah, let's go change this out. All right, and here are some extra mirrors that I have. So we're gonna put these on, and these are GTS ones, and these are powered, but I doubt I'm going to wire this up. Maybe later in the future, but yeah, let's go and put this on. So the side mirror is on now. Put on the cap, and the door panels are on. So these are 85, I believe, but it's fine. They look clean, and they're the cleaner ones that I have. I have some caps coming in that Japanese Classic Restoration makes, and I'll post a link to his Instagram page below in the description below. And I actually won his giveaway, so he's going to be sending me those, and I'm not sure when they're gonna come in, but once they do, I will make a full video about it, and they should be going into this, so it's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, let's roll down the window, and the rear view mirrors are on. So let's see how the car looks like now. It's starting to come together. Looks more and more like a Corolla every day, so pretty cool. And I'm not sure if these, yeah, let's not push that. But yeah, super cool, guys. I'm super excited about this. Finally got doors on, everything's good, and it's finally more and more complete. These were the biggest ones that I was worried about, the doors not having it. But yeah, pretty cool. So let me go ahead and finish the other side as well, and then we'll see where we go from here. All right, so the mirrors are on, and it looks good. So I put on these test fitted these flares that I have. They're kind of like TRD copies, and put them on the front as well. This is how it looks like. So it looks good, but I probably won't run it because these are pretty wide, and I don't really plan on going this wide. And not too big of a fan of flares anymore, so might just be doing a full restoration. I like the stock look a lot more, but it's nice to have options though, in case I ever do plan on going wider. So it's gonna hold on to these for a bit. Never know. Here's this side, that's stock, and it's totally different looking. But yeah, I got the doors on, the side mirrors on as well. This one actually folds in. There you go. So gotta check out the other one. I don't know why it's not folding in like that. But yeah, so everything's on. Just gonna have to do little things like put these in, put that on as well. That side's not complete. I need to find this piece right here, which I should have somewhere. But yep, that's pretty much it. Got some doors in finally. Car's not gonna be as dusty anymore because I finally have glass in the windows. But yep, so let me go take these off again. And now they want to stay on. They kept falling earlier. So I got these as well. So here's the rear bumper. This is a fiberglass copy of a Kooky bumper. And it doesn't really have anything for me to put in the rear. So I might just make a bash bar or use those brackets that I had. Because there's no like mounting tabs for bumper brackets. But it's a pretty good copy. I mean, from the outside you can't really tell. And it's pretty clean. So gonna be running this for a bit until I have the funds to get an OEM bumper. And just gonna hold on to this. It's always nice to have extra bumpers in case anything happens. But yeah, planning to take these out and then put on the rear bumper. But that might be for another video. So yeah, so that's probably it for today. Just gonna put on the doors today. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.